Hello, I'm Montse Romero from Arthur Holm, and we're showcasing our DB2 in an undercover version. So undercover has this cover, which is veneered with the same finishing of the table. It has a sensor as well, so you can slide your hand to open the hatch. And here we have available one DB2 monitor, and we have two independent Gooseneck microphones. The front part, the part which is in front of the monitor, is fully customizable, so we can customize it with whatever you need, with power supplies. We can even integrate a small loudspeaker if it's needed. We can integrate a USB-C pass-through USB connector, USB-C, HDMI. We could also integrate RJ45, any connectors that the end user needs. And when the meeting is over, we can independently control the microphones, the monitor as well. And to close the system, we just need to hold the button on top of the monitor for a couple of seconds. And everything is hidden inside the table. The tabletop is totally concealed with the finish of the table with the same material. And if you would like to find more information, please visit arthurholm.com.